Right, Tom, how did you find the experience of playing international pairs?
Very difficult today. We struggled a little bit, but we enjoyed ourselves.
And what was it like in terms of, does it make you feel like almost a professional tournament?
It is lovely to play on a course that you've seen on the telly so many times. So yeah, that was nice.
Did it live up to your expectations?
Absolutely. Yeah, the course was fantastic.
Was it tougher than yesterday's outing over the road?
Oh, very, very much tougher. Completely different. Superb.
And Alan?
Yeah, fantastic experience to play. A course like a championship course in a competition is a great experience.
Did you find much water?
Yes, off the first tee. It wasn't a good start to the day.
You're not the first person to do that. What about the 18th with watching Harrington play it last year and make a bit of a mess of it? How did you play it? What did you score?
We had 5 between us. Alan made a 5.
I made a 5. It was good.
Talk us through that. What you hit off the tee? Driver off the tee?
Driver off the tee. Left me. I didn't hit a particularly good drive. I then had about 175 in, which was a long shot in, so I couldn't stop it on the green. I hopped the burn and ran off the back.
Brilliant.
Yeah.